Good day, I'm a part of the Philippine pop culture. My name is Mark Chidinho C. Tajano. I am 19 years old. I was born in Tagbilaran City and I currently live in Maribok in, here in the Philippines. I am second year student taking up Bachelor of Science in a Customs Administration. As a young Filipino student, my daily life is deeply connected to the Philippine pop culture. One of my fav- one of my favorite Filipino artists is Ben and Ben. I love their music because their songs are very emotional, meaningful, and relatable. Whenever I feel stressed from school or overwhelmed with responsibilities, I listen to their songs like Katang Isip or Leaves. Their music reflects Filipino values such as love, family, hope, and resilience. It reminds me that even in difficult times, there is always healing and growth. Philippine pop culture influences my daily life in many ways, from the OPM songs I play on my phone that to the trending TikTok dances and memes I shared with friends. I am constantly engaging with it. Even the way I speak mixing English and Filipino or using trending slang is shaped by social media and local entertainment. Watching Filipino shows and supporting local artists makes me feel proud of our creativity and talent as Filipinos. Philippine pop culture is important to our identity because it reflects who who we are as a people. It tells our stories, expenses, or emotions, and show our traditions in modern way. Through music, films, fashions, and online trends, we share our culture not only with each other but also with the world. It unites it unites us despite our differences and strengths. Ano eh? Strengthens our sense of belonging. Philippine pop culture is not just something we watch or listen to it. It's something we live every day. Through our choices, our support, and our participation, we help shape it. I'm not just a fan, I'm a part of the Philippine pop culture. Thank you.